Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to cite references using Endnote. Along with that, also some troubleshoot I'll discuss here. So you might face some problems during citation. So if you watch this video till end, you can solve those kind of problems. So let's begin. So first you have to have your Endnote and you have to open your Endnote, and then also you have to open your Word file in that Word documents that you want to cite. So let's assume that I have two sentences. So I would like to cite in this sentence first. So if you would like to search, and if you have any desired any paper, or if you would like to search any paper, then you can directly go to the Google Scholar and then paste it. Then you will get, there are several papers, so you have to check which papers is the right one. So you have to click that one. So for example, this is like one of the paper I'd like to cite. So here you have to find the citation option. So here, as you see, this the citation export. So you have to hit this one and then Endnote. And if you don't find that Endnote option, that also okay, that other options also you can click, no problem. So save, and then it is downloading. So after download, you have to open it, and when you click the open, then it's gonna open through the Endnote. So make sure that it's select. So in some cases, like, it is not selected. So if it's not, then you have to click it and select this one, and then directly go to your Word file, and you have to take your cursor the exact location where you would like to cite. So I would like to cite here, so I will take my cursor here, and then under Endnote option you will click here, and then here you will find insert citation. So here you to check this one, insert selected citation, and then automatically this citation is done, as you see here. So this is the one, and here is already references is here. So let's assume that another one more citation I'd like to cite. So for this one, I'll show you in the PubMed option. So you can do both, whatever you want. If you find any problem here in the Google Scholar, in that case you have to copy the title of that paper, and then directly you can go to the PubMed and then search there. So here also you will get the same kind of things. So click the right one, and then you find the cite option. So you have to hit this one and then download. So it's gonna download in the desired location. So after download, you have to open this. It's gonna open through the Endnote. Again the same, you have to check it that is selected, then directly go to the exact location where you would like to place that citation. So then under Endnote option, insert citation, insert selected option. So these two citations. So here, if you would like to change the style, because in different journal they have the different kind of styles, so you have to change in the heat. So under Endnote option you will find here the style option. So then if you click this one, and there are a lot of options, so you can check one by one. So if you like this one, I have to change it, and you can see here the style of the references are changed. Again, any other option like cancel letters, you see it's changed. Alright, and also if you would like to remove any reference from the library, also you can do that. Like this is the library, and here if you would like to, like if you would like to remove this one from here from the library, you can also like do from here, like select it and then edit, and then you see the clear option. So if you hit the clear option, then it will remove from the library. And if you would like to delete or remove any citation from your Word file, then you can do one thing, like if you just backspace, then also it gonna happen, like it gonna remove the citations. But I think it's not the accurate way. You have to do like one thing, like Endnote option, and you find edit and manage citations. So you have to click this one, and then you see there are that citation that you placed in your Word documents. It all of the citation is gonna show here. So here you have to click this one and then remove citation. Okay. So when you do this, then that selected reference is gonna remove from the Word file. You see it's removed from here.